if ABC is a triangle and medians from B and C are perpendicular. Medians from B comma C are perpendicular. Then B square plus C square equal to, anyone remember? What is it?
IA square.
B square plus C square equal to 5. What is the proof of this result?
Apollonius theorem in BG. I mean, we can find the length of BG.
Pythagoras of BG.
Yeah, we know BG length and we know GC length. So, with the help of the big one. So, what is BG length? What is BD length? For example, if we take BD and CE are medians. What is BD length? Root of
X square plus 2C square minus B square, right?
minus B square by 2. Is that the result? So BG equal to what? 2/3 of this. So 2C square plus 2A square minus B square by 3 will come. Similarly, CG value is coming at root of 2A square plus 2B square minus C square by 3. We know BG square plus CG square equal to A square. So if you apply that result here, 2C square plus 2A square minus B square by 9 plus 2A square plus 2B square minus C square by 9 equal to A square. So if we add these two results together, we get 4A square, 2A square, 2A square, plus 2C square minus C square is C square, 2B square minus B square is B square equal to 9. So B square plus C square equal to 5. Then this result you can remember as a formula also. Because sometimes they are giving lengths, they are asking the third step. So this is the proof of this. Now try one more problem. If anyone want to copy this. One more problem. ABC is a triangle. AD is median. AE is median of ABD triangle. AF is median of ADC triangle. So these two lengths are equal. Even these two lengths are equal. And AD is also equal. So indirectly all lengths are equal. Then, if you assume this lengths are M1, M2, M3. M1, M2, M3. And find the relation between M1 and M2. And find the relation between M1 and M2. In terms of sides, we will get the side. M1, M2, M3. M1 is median of ABC triangle. Length of median of ABC triangle. And M2 is length of median of ABD triangle. And M3 is median of ADC triangle. Then find the relation between M1 and M2.
So which is M1, which is M2, which is M3, sir?
M1 is that ABC. The other two are M2, M3.
What are we supposed to find, sir?
That M1, M2, there is some relation in there. Right, and some M1 square minus M2 square plus M3 square, something like that. In terms of side here, you get the relation. Try to find. So the question is find the relation between M1, M2, M3 side here. Find the relation between M1, M2, M3 side here.
m2 square plus m3 square equal to 2m1 square minus a square by 4, 8. So we can directly say m1 is the median of AEF. No?
M1 is median of AEF also. Yeah.
Yes, from there only we'll get like using Apollonius theorem.
Apollonius theorem. Yes. So if you see this, if you take this triangle AEF, this length is M1, this length is M2, this length is M3, and this length is exactly A by 4. The VD length is A by 2 and ED length is A. So only this part length is A by 4. So if you apply Apollonius theorem here, M2 square plus M3 square equal to 2 times of M1 square plus A square by 4. So length is M2 square plus M3 square minus 2M1 square equal to A square by 1, right? This is A by 4 whole square, so this is A square by 16 will come. If you take that, this is A square by M2 square plus M3 square minus 2M1 square equal to A square by 8. So this is the relation between M1 and M2. Next, one more question. This is also in topics of time class and someone asked this question. ABC is a triangle, and they gave length of tangents from A to this are 4, from B to this are 3, from C to this are 5. These are the length of tangents. Length of tangent from A to this in circle are 4, from B to in circle are 3, C to in circle are 1. Then he is asking one more problem here. They go like this. If there are tangents parallel to this. There are tangents parallel to this. Okay. Assume this length is then what is the value of f1? Anyone remember the question? f2 plus f3 minus f1 something?
So there are many results. Just one basic that P1 by opposite side should be S minus A by like that.
Okay. Yeah, try this question also. Yeah. This is the tangent, and here also tangent, parallel to sides. So if you give
What
name
are we supposed to do?
DE, DQ, RS, for example, if you names like this. DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC, and PQ is parallel to AB, RS is parallel to AC. Then find this F1, F2, F3 lines. Find F1, F2, F3. Right, is problem?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, DE, PQ and RS are also tangents, sir.
Yeah, tangents.
Okay.
They are tangents parallel to the sides.
So 16 by 8, 15 by 8, and 7 by 8.
Okay. F1 is 16 by 8.
Yes. Like 2 ones.
F2,
15 by 8.
F3,
7 by 8. Yes, sir. That question was F1 plus F2 minus F3. Sir. It came 3.
okay. F1 plus F2, 31 minus 7. Okay, 25. Anyone? You have same answers? Otherwise, how you solve?
Sir, for triangle ADG, that circle is like X circle now.
Okay.
And for triangle ABC, it is N circle. So that length of tangent from A, I equated using both formulas.
Okay.
Then in general, I got some result like D by BC is S minus A
DE
minus
by
A
D.
by S.
Okay. DE by BC S minus A by S by using that.
Yes, sir.
What I thought is similar triangles set up.
Yes, sir. Both like that and this I use.
Yeah. So what is my idea is, you see this is parallel to this. So this angle is B and this angle is C. Now if you observe, AD length equal to exactly 4 minus F1 by 2. 1 minute. Yeah, 4 minus F1 by 2 only. Why 4 minus F1 by 2 is coming?
Because the tangent lengths are equal from D to DS equal to D.
If you remember, these are the tangents means. Put a tangent here, also tangent here. This is perpendicular to that, and it's bisecting, and it's perpendicular to this. Okay, so this is bisecting. It passes through midpoint here. So this is F1 by 2, F1 by 2 will go. So this result is also F1 by 2, only this part. So AD length is 4 minus F1 by 2 is coming. And obviously, AE length is also that only.
Sir, it cannot be F1 by 2, no, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
It need not be F1 by 2.
Yeah, yeah.
We can assume it both of them as X and Y, sir. Then if you use similar triangles, we
Right. Wait, wait. Yeah, similar triangles only I want to use. Here, just I'm checking where is my mistake.
so that F1 we can split as X and Y, sir. One tangent length is X, other one is Y.
So, if we take this is X, this is Y. So this also X here, here Y. So what will get here?
Sides will become 4 minus X and 4 minus
Yeah,
X.
4 minus X, AE length is 4 minus Y, and DE length is coming like X plus. And if you see our original triangle, that sides AD is corresponding to opposite to C. So 4 minus X by 7. 4 minus X by opposite to C is 7. Next, 4 minus Y opposite to B, it is 5 equal to X plus Y by 4.
4.
So if we solve these two results, we'll get two equations in terms of x and y. So we'll get x value. So this, if you simplify, for example, if we equate these two results, 20 minus 5x equal to 28 minus 7. So from this, 7y minus 5x equal to x. This is one part. And if you equate these two results, 16 minus 4y equal to 5x plus 5y. So from this, 9y minus 5x equal to 16. If you subtract these two results, minus 2y equal to minus 8. So y equal to 4y. So as y equal to 4, that is x value is also 4. Correct?
9y plus 5x.
2y equal to what? 7y minus 2y is? Y is 4 correct only? No mistake I did?
Sir, 9y plus 5x equal to 16.
Oh. 9y plus 5x equal to 16. So if you see this one, 16y equal to 24. So y equal to 3 by 2. If you take y equal to 3 by 2, what is x value? 20 minus 5x equal to 7y is 5x equal to 7y minus 8. 5x equal to 21 by 2 minus 8. So x equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So y is 3 by 2, x is 1 by 2. So f1 value you are getting as 2.
2. Yes.
In a similar way, you can find f2 and f3 also.
Sir, here we found x and y, no, sir.
Yes.
Same way, if we do it in other way, sir, instead of finding x and y, I'm directly finding x, that d length only.
Yeah, I will discuss that. So this is one way of solving. Can I erase this part? One more way, what you are saying, this in circle and x circle you are writing that way.
Yes, sir. For triangle AD, I'm writing x circle result. For triangle...
For AD, x circle result and tan a by 2 formula, right?
No, sir, I'm not writing radius, sir. I'm writing like length of tangent from S.
Length of tangent from A.
Yes,
That is
minus
S1.
A. S minus A.
No, length of tangent is S in the triangle.
S in for x, sir.
In ADA triangle, x circle, the length of tangent from length of tangent from A to x circle equal to semi-perimeter
Of triangle ADE.
of AD.
Yes.
So directly you are applying this.
Yes, sir.
If you apply
No,
that,
that is...
already we know the length is 4.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to, what is the perimeter of this?
Sir, now that ADA and ABC are similar triangles, no, sir. So
Yeah.
just scaling factor will multiply into semi-perimeter of ABC will do.
1 minute. Here what you are writing is 4 equal to semi-perimeter means
X by A into...
plus D plus A. First I am
Yes,
writing
sir.
this.
Yes,
Now what you are saying?
I'm writing it as AB plus BC plus CA into
AB plus BC plus CA
into X by BC.
into X by
BC.
X by BC?
Sir, triangle ADE and ABC are similar, no, sir.
Correct.
So for like
AD will be XAB, AE will be XAC, and DE will be XBC.
No, this is not this X, no? That's what I am saying.
no, not that X, sir. DE is
Okay.
X, sir.
That's what I can do. So AD plus DE plus AC by AB plus BC plus AC AE by AB plus BC plus
CA.
equal to some K and that. Already here XI wrote, so I'm taking Y plus A.
Yes, sir. Otherwise you directly, yes, sir.
Okay. Then
That K is F1 by BC, no?
4 equal to AB plus, yeah. This K value not adjusted is equal to corresponding sides ratio. F1 by BC you can say, or that equal to F2 by. So in this case it's not possible.
In this case only till here, sir.
So the above equation should be semi-perimeter.
Semi-perimeter, sir. It should be AD plus AE plus by 2, sir.
AD plus DE plus AE.
By 2.
By 2.
Yeah, by 2. Yes. So if you apply that, what you are getting 4 equal to F1 by BC into AB plus BC plus AC by 2.
By 2, yes. In a general triangle, that LHS will have S minus A, BC will be A, and that result will be S.
So S minus A equal to what you are saying. This is general result you are finding F1. This is S by
By
BC.
A. Yes. Yes, sir.
So F1 equal to general result we are proving A into S minus A by.
Similarly, it should work for all three sections.
Correct. So F2 equal to B into S minus B by S. F3 equal to C into S minus C by S. Nice idea. And some common doubts, some students have some doubts. Let's discuss that as well. This question. If the system of equations possesses a real solution, cos inverse x plus sin inverse y whole square equal to p into pi square by 4, and cos inverse x into sin inverse y whole square equal to pi square by 16. And he gave options in the problem is number of integral values of p is 2. Integral values of p equal to 2 will come. Next, B option, minimum value of p is 1, and other options y equal to 1, y equal to 1.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I tried to solve this question before, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in that if we use AMGM for cos inverse x and sin inverse y square,
Okay.
then we will get p is greater than or equal to 0.67.
Okay.
And if we time value of cos inverse x plus sin inverse y square, we will get a bit greater than 2p square. So p will be 1 or 2. But given answer is p is not equal to 2. How do we prove that, sir?
Go. Just we'll say first I will write your method after that answer. What you are saying from AMGM, cos inverse x plus sin inverse y whole square by 2, you are saying this is greater than or equal to the
Root
root
over
of
p square by 16.
this is pi square by 16 will come. And here p into pi square by 4 into is greater than or equal to pi by 4 is 1. So 4 these two things are cancelled. Here p is greater than or equal to 2 by pi is 1. 2 by pi, no doubt, p is greater than or equal to 0.6 is coming. Now what you are saying, cos inverse x plus sin inverse y whole square.
It will be maximum when both are maximum, no, sir.
Yeah, okay.
So that is pi and that is pi square by 4.
So from this what you are saying, what is the maximum value of this?
Pi.
Pi plus
Pi square by 4. It is slightly greater than 2 pi square by 4.
so
Sir, how are we can't take any, like both values we can't take, sir, because we have another constraint from second equation.
second equation, that's all. We didn't observe that one. So here if you see maximum possibility only by first equation, by maximum possibility what you can say, this you see cos inverse x, you are saying least value is 0, sin inverse y whole square least value is also 0. 0 less than or equal to p into pi square by 4 less than or equal to this maximum value is pi plus pi square by 4.
I'm telling that
By using this, what you are saying, 0 less than or equal to p less than or equal to
0 will not come, sir, because we got p greater than equal to 0.6.
That's fine. No, from this part I'm writing. The minimum value and maximum value you consider. Here what you're getting answer, one of the pi is cancelled. So
1
4
plus 4 by pi.
pi by pi is cancelled.
Yes.
So this is 1 plus 4 by
4
pi.
by pi, greater than 2.
Point something. 2 point something means by using this testing p is 1 comma 2. But what about this value? Is it
Yes,
possible?
sir.
So if you assume here cos inverse x is a, just I'm solving now. Cos inverse x is a, sin inverse y whole square is b. So if they give here a plus b value is p pi square by 4, right? And a into b value is pi square by 6. Okay, no doubt here b belongs to 0 to pi square by 4 and a belongs to 0 to pi. These are only numbers. Let's solve this equation.
We can write A and B as a quadratic, no, sir.
Yeah. So b is pi square by 16 here equal to p pi square by 4. From this 16a square plus pi square equal to 1680 pi square by. So calculate this equation 16a square minus 480 pi plus pi square equal to 0. Okay. So here
4 AP pi square.
480.
Pi square.
Okay. So A equal to 40 pi. Let's
So
just
P equal to 1 is coming real root, sir.
So if you take p equal to 2, for example. So if you take p equal to 2, what will get? 16a square, because our doubt is p is 1 or 2. So I'm checking which is possible here. If you take p equal to 2, in this case what happened?
1 root is coming as 4.8, sir.
16a square minus 1 root is enough here to solve it.
Yes, sir. But
And the value is so 16a square minus, if you take p equal to 2, 8a pi square plus pi square equal to 0. So a value is what? 8 pi square plus or minus. Which 4a minus pi whole square?
no, sir. Because that is pi square also
Yeah.
is second.
Right. So a equal to 8 pi square plus or minus 64 pi power 4
Minus
minus
64 pi square.
by 2 into 16. So in this case, we are getting answer pi square plus or minus pi power 4 minus pi square.
By 4.
Okay.
Coming as 4.8, sir. The pi plus root pi.
Pi minus if you take.
Sir, if one value is A, other value is B, no, sir.
Okay.
So if any one value is not falling in the range of anything, like 4.8 is greater
Yeah,
than pi.
that is enough.
So for that we should do so much calculation, sir.
So p equal to is not possible.
Yes, sir. So P equal to 1 is coming.
Sir, yes.
P equal to we are getting, because pi square plus if you take a for example, then pi square minus is b. But pi square plus value is outside of that is coming.
Yes.
Simply pi square plus pi square, 2 pi square by 4. So this part I'm saying roughly. Just check. Pi square. The one value is A here, one value is B here, obviously, when you are solving the equations. So in this case, what happened? If you take, for example, pi square value is roughly what? 9. 10 you are taking. 3.14 square. 10. Plus or minus 90. 100 minus by 4. So it's 10 plus or minus. This is
3 root
10 by 4. So if you take plus symbol here, what happened? 10 plus this root 10 also roughly assume as 3. So 10 plus 9, 19 by 4 is coming. 19 by 4 means 4 point something, which is outside of the range. So for A also not possible, for B also not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So P equal to 2 is not possible. But if you check P equal to 1, it's possible, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can say minimum value of P is 1 is correct. And number of values of P is not 2, number of values of P is 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and obviously
C and
y
D.
equal 1, y equal minus 1 is also not possible. Okay. Next one more doubt. No problem. Yes, 1 by pi less than or equal to sin x by 2x less than or equal to 1 minus cos x by x square r naught. This is the question. In 0 to pi by 2 infinity.
We should take this result.
But you already proved.
Yeah, left part recently only we proved. With the help of graph we proved that part. Even no doubt that f of x equal to sin x by 2x minus 1 by pi is also fine. We discussed two methods if you remember. F of x equal to sin x by 2x minus 1 by pi if you also. Okay. Or f of x equal to directly take sin x minus 2x by pi. As x is positive 1.
So we can just find the maximum value of sin x by 2, minimum value of sin x by 2x.
Yeah.
That will be 1 by
Sin x by
2x.
Sin
Like
x
function
by
of sin x
2x.
by 2x will be decreasing function.
At pi by 2 it will become equal to
yeah. So what we discussed one method is this. Take f of x as this result and find f dash x. Just check that nature. And one more method, if you remember, we know sin x is less than x only. After knowing sin x is less than x, this graph at x equal to pi by 2, this point is pi by 2 comma 1. This point is pi by 2 comma 1. If you take any other general point on this point is sin x comma x, reverse x comma sin x. So if you see the slope wise, sin x by x slope is bigger than 2 by pi. And it's equal to that thing when you are taking 2 points are equal, in that case you get as x equal to pi by 2 if you take, that two results are coincident. So this is the other part. This is fine. With the help of this, you can say this part is true. Now what about second part?
So second one we can write 2 sin square x by 2 and LHS we can write as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2.
This is sin x by 2x. Just assume this is that. If contraction is coming on, just assume. This is 2 sin square x by 2 by x.
So that you write as 2 sin x by 2 cos.
So this here on the left side you are writing 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2x less than or equal to 2 sin square x by 2 by x square. So here 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 cancel, and this x also
X.
cancel. So what
Tan
we are
x by
getting
2 greater than equal to x by 2.
Tan x by 2 greater
by 2 is less than or equal to sin x by 2 by x is
So it's x by 2, sir.
X by 2.
x by 2. X by 2 is
So
less
tan
than.
x by 2. Tan.
We know the result is true. Or in starting only can assume like convection. Let's assume this result. X by 2 greater than or equal tan x by 2, which is
Not
convex.
possible.
So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Sin x by 2x is greater than or equal to that result. So it's always false. Any other common doubt is there? Next try this problem. If circle touches this at DEF and triangle DEF area equal to delta naught. In the same way, if X circle opposite to A, this is such as a PQR, then triangle PQR area equal to delta 1. Similarly, delta 2, delta 3 are also areas formed by X circles. Means you get a point of contacts of X circles. Whatever triangles you are getting, how you are defining delta 1 here. In the same way, delta 2, delta 3 I am defining for this things. For example, we take like this. This triangle area is delta 2. Similarly, delta 3. The question is, prove that delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 minus delta naught equal to 2 delta. Delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 minus delta naught equal to 2 delta.
Sir,
Yes.
it is like R1 plus R2 plus R3, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 formula.
Yeah.
Circumcenter of DEF triangle will be in radius only.
Circumradius of
DEF triangle will be in radius only.
yeah, correct.
And we know the angles also. So we will know all the sides.
Okay. Yeah, right.
Yes,
So
sir.
instead of finding sides, we can directly say that half r square sine theta we can add for all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
Half r square.
Sine theta.
Sin theta.
Like for each theta we'll find angle between radius joint lying this one.
Well, what I will do is take this DEF area equal to that IDE
Yes.
plus IE plus IFE. which is exactly the same like idea. This is R, and already is a tan it's 90, 90. This is same as 180 minus. So half R square sin 180 minus C plus half R square sin 180 minus A plus half R square sin 180 minus. Are you saying the same thing like this only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So half R square into sin C by 2R, B by 2R, A by 2R if you apply. So this is half R square into A plus B plus C is 2S by 2R. So 2 cancel. RS is what? R by R if you take R by 2R into delta. In this case. What you're saying? Multiply with sin square theta something you're saying?
No, sir. That's you wrote sin pi minus c, no, sir. That only I'm saying.
Okay. So if you apply same logic, in this case what happens? If you take this triangle here, so if you take this area, if you take here etc.
Instead of R, you get R1.
Yeah, R1. So here we join these two things. What happens? This angle is what? Here 180 minus B. So this is B here, and this is C here, and full angle is B plus C. So if you take name PQR, so PQR area equal to, this is I1 PQ plus I1 PR minus I1 QR area will come. I1 PQ area is what? Half R1 into sin B will come plus half R1 into sin C minus half R1 into sin B plus C, which is same as sin A only. So if you take R1 square by 2 common, then that is sin B by 2R plus C by 2R minus A by 2R. So this is same like R1 square by 2 into B plus C minus A is what? 2S
minus 2A.
2A. 2S minus 2A by 2R. So R1 into S minus A, because 2 to cancel here. R1 into S minus A is delta into R1 by 2R. So like this result you are getting. Now, similarly, if you write all these parts, what happens? This delta 1 value you are getting it as, if you observe here, this part, delta 1 is delta by 2. In every term, delta by 2 is common. Delta by 2R is common in every term. Here you are getting R1 plus here you are getting R2 plus R3 minus R. This is a welcome. And here we know already R1 plus R2 plus R3 is 4R. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R is 4R. If you substitute that, 2 delta will come. Next problem. Where is this one? Next question is. A circle be drawn touching the inscribed and circumscribed circles. Of the triangle and BC side externally. BC side externally. Then do that. Do that. Its radius is delta by A into tan square A. Circle be drawn touching the inscribed and circumscribed circles of a triangle and BC side externally. Then prove that its radius is delta by A into tan square A. In circle and circumcircle. Now what he's saying, circle touches BC side, if you take like this, like this. It touches BC side and I think the center is this. Somebody will circumcenter of this. And again this point is P. Now we want to do circle. X value we have to create a delta by A tan square A.
Sir, one more circle might be possible now, sir.
BC externally is given.
Yes, sir. Like if you take a
Okay.
circle above the line BC, sir.
Above the line BC means how it's touching externally.
Right side, sir. We took a point S now, sir. In that area, if we take a circle, sir.
No, that's why BC side externally of triangle is given this word.
Okay, sir. Yes, I didn't take that.
So it's outside of triangle BC is given.
Sir,
Yes.
is it necessary that the circle is touching the side?
Yeah, compulsory because he is only giving.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
so like that in the earlier classes,
Okay.
like can we use that here also, sir? Like we take if we join I to A, sir.
But that is not straight line.
Like won't it pass to the center of the other circle, sir?
Did not be. Because here
Sir?
I is perpendicular to BC. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
So AIP line needs to be possible.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, but we know what we want to do.
Sir, AIP line should be straight line only. No?
Why AIP is straight?
So because that is internal angular bisector and both circles are also touching at the same point as the line BC, no, sir.
Say once again.
Sir, AI is internal angular bisector, no, sir.
Correct.
And the circle is passing through the point where it touches the side BC, no, sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
This point I didn't understand. Why
So the
AI?
circle is touching the line BC, no, sir.
Correct.
Through that point, that line should pass, no, sir. AI.
It won't pass.
Did not be.
Why should it?
Why you are getting like that? I think it's not.
Sir, what he's saying is correct only, sir. If the circle doesn't touch at that point, it can't touch anywhere else on the BC, no, sir. So that it can touch in circle.
Say once again what you are saying.
Sir, if it does not touch where BC touches in circle, sir.
Surely where BC touching in circle, that point only will come. For example, if you are doing like this, here inside the circle.
Yes, sir.
So this point only, this other circle will touch, no doubt about that.
Yes, sir. It won't pass through internal angle bisector. That is not.
Yeah, because internal angle bisector is coming like this. This is A, this is I.
Yes, sir.
This is P. So obviously AIP need not be collinear. AIP need not be collinear. ये circumference है. मतलब ये ना this clear करें. This is circumference. SP, this is point of contact. You know SPQ are collinear.
Sir,
You know IDP are collinear.
join SI, sir.
But
If we join SI, sir,
SA, okay,
SI in center,
okay.
can we find out what is the angle made by SI with base, sir, parallel base? The BC base.
If finding problem is over actually.
Okay,
That's
sir, that
finding.
is only.
Yeah, because
Yes.
here the finding SP length is clearly R. If you assume this radius is X, SP length is clearly what? Capital R minus X. The SQ is R, circumradius. So SP radius is capital R minus X, and IP radius is small r1 plus X. R plus X. So we know this length. If you are finding IPS angle, problem is over because already we know SI length equal to what? Capital R square minus 2 into small r cap.
Yes, sir.
Here our main target is finding that IPS angle only. If you are finding IPS angle,
Yes,
problem is. So here our target is how to find IPS angle.
Yes, sir. But
So from this diagram, we have to think. Yes, still now if you observe, I didn't use BC's tangent. So here you have to think how to use that BC's tangent here. BC tangent condition only we have to use. BC tangent.
sir, BC DF length we can know, no, sir. It is S minus A. Sir, S minus.
Yes.
We can know DF length, no, sir, because it is in circle, tangent to in circle.
Okay, yeah, DE, DF both lengths showing.
Yes. Now, if we draw perpendicular from S to base EF, sir,
Okay,
that will be that small length will be R cos R sin A, no, sir.
Hmm.
A by 2 only, no, sir. Midpoint.
Yeah.
We'll know that the other length also. No? We can use Pythagoras theorem. No? We can construct a right angle, no, sir. IF and
okay. Good
from
idea.
that also.
So what he's saying is, from S if you draw perpendicular, just assume this is some T point. Now what he's saying is, TF length is A by 2, because that is a perpendicular bisector. And DF length is what? S minus C. So from this, DT length is what? DT length. DT length what you will get from this? S minus C minus A by reverse. DT length is, yeah, S minus C minus A by 2. Okay. Then from the DT is coming. If you assume this angle is theta, then DP length in terms of theta will come. DT length is coming. Pythagoras theorem, if you apply, P2 value will get.
Sir, instead of DT, sir, from S we'll draw perpendicular on IP, sir.
Yes, sir. If we draw perpendicular on IP,
Okay.
then that distance will be
That small ST length is there, no, sir. ST will shift to that on IP, sir.
This, okay. DT length is exactly same like that.
We don't want
will
DT.
be
sir.
R minus R. cos.
No, that X, like if radius is X, then X plus that R sin A whole square plus DT square
This
equal
is
to,
I, right? P, yes, is coming. So what we are doing, from here to here, perpendicular you are drawing.
yes, sir.
So you draw perpendicular to this. Here actually D is there somewhere here.
Yes, sir. Now DT length is also there with us, sir.
DT length, because if you draw perpendicular, this DT length right now, that is same like this you can.
Let's say it is O, sir, some point O.
X if you.
So
Then
Sx square plus XP square equal to SP square. no, sir.
Sx square plus
XP square
equal
equal
to,
to SP square.
okay.
Sx is DT only.
Sx is dt, we know dt length is this, s minus c minus a by 2.
XP will write as ST plus like that X.
xp will write it as
X ST plus that R radius.
d.
R
xp,
cos A plus X.
xp is exactly same like r.
R cos A. Circumcenter.
St is r cos a, this is r cos a.
Yes.
Plus
R
X.
cos A plus that radius of the news that final circle.
R cos a plus dp square. dp is x. X square, yeah. Because sp square,
R minus R.
minus R.
sir.
r minus x.
Whole. Yes.
So here we know all lengths except x. So that we
And
always
that too here X square will get cancelled, sir. So there won't be
Yeah.
any problem.
Okay. So that s minus c only is writing in terms of, I think, tan something. In terms of delta is writing. So let's take the calculation once. But idea is good. Note down one more problem. Write this question. In next class I will discuss this. Tomorrow I will discuss this problem. So after that, I will start our next topic. What's the next topic? Matrices.
Yes, sir.
Question is, A, B, C are radius of three circles which are touching each other. A, B, C be radii of three circles which touch one another externally. And R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles. A, B, C are radii of three circles which touches externally, and R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles which touches these three circles. So here, like two ways is possible. Like one is like internally is like R1, and more thing is like externally then R. R1 comma R2 are radii of two circles which touches these three circles. Then question is, prove that 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 equal to 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Then prove that 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 equal to 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Okay, note down this question and try this problem. Tomorrow I will discuss this, and after that I will start matrices and determinants. Solution wise, I have to send solutions of two topics. Okay, still I didn't send inverse trigonometry. I think you didn't get solutions of this multi-caret, correct? Integers I think Saleh already said. MLS are sent some solutions, and Saurabh sir also sent some solutions. In ITF, I will send remaining multi-answer solutions by today. The properties of triangle, many questions are there. For us, it is taking time to write all solutions. But in middle, if you have any doubts, you can post that doubts. We'll give first priority for the doubts. Okay, you got assignments of all topics? Means remaining topics. Matrices and determinants, I understand. Vectors and 3D geometry. You got the mail? Some student is speaking in middle. Say that once. Abraham, you got all assignments? I think sir send next 5 assignments. Abraham. Arya, you got the assignments? Yeah. Prathamesh, you got it?
No, sir, I didn't get. I'll check once again, sir. But in mail, I didn't get. Sir.
Okay, okay. Mail only vision. Here in group, I send only matches and determinants.
Yes.
Okay.
Mail, I didn't get.
Anyone? No one got it? Just check it once. In mail, you got assignments?
No, sir.
Okay. And today we'll send. Assignments are ready. So today maybe sir will mail to you. Okay. You can leave the meeting. What is your next class?
Physics.
Okay. Sir, close the meeting. Sir. Very much, sir.